How to use templates on CapCut. In this tutorial, we're going to see a quick and easy way to use different templates on CapCut. First thing you have to do is simply go ahead and open CapCut on your phone. And once you do that, you'll land on your home screen. Now, all you have to do is simply go ahead and find the Templates tab down below. Once you tap on it, you will be able to find different kind of templates here that you can use. Now, if you are not able to use this, what you can also do is just go ahead and search for it on your web browser. So I'll just open up my web browser, go to the search bar. Here I'll just search for CapCut template and tap on the first link that you see, customize your content with free trending templates. You could also go to the all templates on CapCut and find all of the available templates here. Tap on explore more templates and you'll be taken to the app. Now you can tap on the open app button or it's going to take you directly to the app. Scroll through the templates and find the one that you like. Once you find the template that you want, you can just tap on it and use it. So let's just go ahead and tap on this random one. Now you can just go ahead and tap on this use template button. Now you can select a photo or a video from this and you should be good to go. That's basically how you use template in CapCut. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.